Ever wonder why Cinderella's shoe didn't fit anyone else in the kingdom? Maybe it was a handcrafted leather shoe. Welcome to the enchanting world of handcrafted leather footwear, where each pair is as unique as a snowflake. Crafted to precision, these shoes are known for their custom fit, making each pair as unique as its owner. They're not just shoes, they're a statement, a testament to the power of craftsmanship. So today, we're going to solve Cinderella's shoe mystery by learning about handcrafted leather shoes. So, how does a cowhide turn into a stylish shoe? No, it's not a magic trick, it's craftsmanship. Imagine a pristine meadow complete with a cow blissfully grazing, unaware that its hide will soon embark on a transformative journey. It's not the most glamorous start, but hey, even Cinderella started from the ashes. The first step is selecting high-quality leather. It's a bit like picking a date. You want to choose the one with the fewest flaws, the most personality, and of course, the one that looks good. We're not superficial, we just appreciate beauty. Once our leather is chosen, it's time for a spa day, or as we like to call it, the tanning process. This is where the hide gets pampered with oils and waxes, turning it from a raw, rough hide into a soft, supple, shoe-ready material. It's a bit like putting on a face mask, only without the cucumber slices. Next, the leather is stretched out, flattened, and dried. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's to ensure durability. Imagine if your shoes started to shrink every time they got wet. You'd have to keep a spare pair in your bag, just in case of a sudden rainstorm. Now we're onto the cutting stage. This is where our leather gets its shape. It's a bit like a haircut, but without the small talk. The leather is carefully cut into the different parts of the shoe, each piece a vital component in our shoe symphony. And finally, the assembly. This is where the magic happens. Each piece of the shoe is sewn together, creating a harmonious blend of style and function. It's like a puzzle where every piece fits perfectly, creating a masterpiece that is more than the sum of its parts. And voila! From a cow in the meadow to a shoe on your foot, the magic of craftsmanship. Ever tried to sew a button and ended up with a finger prick? Now imagine sewing a whole shoe. What's that, you say? You'd rather not? Well, the good news is that you don't have to, because there are skilled artisans who've mastered this delicate art. They make it look as easy as threading a needle through the eye of a, well, needle. First off, the leather has to be cut into the right shape. This isn't like cutting out paper snowflakes in kindergarten, folks. This is precision work. Imagine sculpting a masterpiece out of marble. But the marble is leather, and the masterpiece is a shoe. The artisan must have the precision of a surgeon, the eye of an eagle, and the patience of a saint. Once the leather is cut, it's time for sewing. Now this isn't your grandma's Sunday afternoon cross-stitch. This is hardcore, industrial-grade leather sewing action. The needle must pierce through the tough hide, threading together the pieces like a beautiful leather puzzle. It's a symphony of craftsmanship where every stitch is a note in a melody that sings, "Hey, look at this fantastic shoe," and let's not forget about the thread. This isn't your ordinary run-of-the-mill thread. No, this thread is strong, durable, and reliable, kind of like a superhero, but without the flashy costume. It's the unsung hero of the shoe, holding everything together when the going gets tough. Oh, and did I mention that all this is done by hand? Yes, every single cut and stitch is done by a skilled artisan who's dedicated their life to the art of shoemaking. It's like watching a ballet, but instead of tutus and point shoes, you've got leather and needles. So next time you curse at that button, remember, it could have been a shoe. So we've got a shoe shape, but it's not quite ready for the ball yet. Time for the Cinderella transformation. Our shoe, much like a diamond in the rough, is awaiting its final touches to truly shine. Let's dive into the final steps of our shoemaking journey. We start by attaching the sole. This isn't just about slapping on a piece of rubber at the bottom. No, this is where our shoe gets its step, its bounce, its swagger. It's a delicate dance of precision and skill, ensuring every stitch is in place, every bond is secure. Next up, we have the polishing stage. Now, this isn't your average spit shine. This is an art form in itself. Our shoe is treated with the finest creams and waxes, buffed to perfection until it gleams like a new penny. It's not just about making the shoe look good, it's about protecting and nourishing the leather, ensuring it ages like fine wine and not like bread. Finally, we have the quality check. This isn't a cursory glance, oh no. This is a meticulous inspection, a quest for perfection. Every seam is checked, every stitch is scrutinized. We're not just making a shoe, we're crafting a masterpiece. And there we have it, a shoe fit for a prince, or a princess, or anyone who appreciates good leather. So what did we learn from this shoe saga? Well, it's all about the importance of handcrafted leather shoes. We've journeyed from the birth of a shoe, right through the art of cutting and sewing, and on to those all-important finishing touches. Each step of the way, we've seen the dedication, precision, and artistry that goes into crafting a single pair of leather shoes. These shoes aren't just footwear, they're a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Each stitch is a nod to tradition, each cut a tribute to style. They're more than just an accessory, they're a statement. A statement that says, I value quality, I appreciate artistry, and I understand the importance of investing in something that's built to last. So next time you're tying up those laces or stepping into a pair of handcrafted leather shoes, remember the journey they've been on. Next time you slip on your shoes, remember, they might just be Cinderella's lost slipper. Stay stylish, folks.